I think that's unfair, actually. But the quicker you get them paid back, the quicker they can use the money that was lost, and that you get rewarded for that. 24 CCR 101, the state of Texas versus LaDonna Renee Lewis. And you are here with your attorney, Mr. Nayland, and the state's attorney. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of the indictment and the arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary? In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about November 8th, 2020, is that a free? Yeah, 2023. 2023 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the third-degree felony of misapplication of fiduciary or financial property of an amount more than $30,000, but less than $150,000. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, sir.
If convicted of a third-degree felony, you face a term of not more than 10 years or less than.
The judge isn't holding back here. He basically tells the defendant, one wrong move and your bond will skyrocket. Do you think this tough stance actually scares offenders straight, or do repeat abusers just keep testing the limits?
We're getting all this changed. When you touch the pad with your hand, it makes marks on it. That's one I have to. I don't know what has happened to all these things. They didn't used to do this, and now they're acting odd. An agreement's been reached.
You're just going, there's restitution, and then we're going to ask you to decide whether it's straight or deferred in the terms.
Okay. The agreement is she would be placed on probation.
Yes, sir. There's just no blank check that says just probation.
Okay, we need, because the way this reads, there's no consideration moving to make a contract here. It just says restitution, court to determine type of probation. Let's see.
Because one says deferred and one says after conviction placed on probation. There's no.
Notice how the judge is carefully dissecting the probation terms here? This is where legal language gets tricky. Straight probation means you carry a conviction on your record, while deferred probation gives you a chance to avoid that conviction if you complete the term successfully. Big difference in how your life looks afterward.
All right, I've got, the agreement is probation to be determined by the court. Restitution will be paid in the amount of $8,966.09. And then under just court to determine time, but it's under non-binding, but that's when change that. We're talking about community supervision here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it's up to the judge to decide how many years. Is that what I'm going to do?
It's whether or not it's a deferred or a straight probation and the term extension.
Okay. So what I think I'm going to do, there's really no non-binding recommendation being made, is there? This is all.
Correct. It's just, this is just.
Okay. So I'm going to take the following binding. We'll check out community supervision. Did y'all agree on a term of years on probation, or is that my call?
That's your call.
Oh, okay. I'm going to put up to 10 is what.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is that your understanding of the plan?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement of probation, deferred or regular probation, and order restitution, and this can be up to 10 years in length, it's the court's call, but whatever term of probation the court assesses, it can be shortened to 1/3 if you do well and complete probation. So 10 gets you 3 1/3 if you do well. You're going to do well.
Absolutely.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes.
How do you plead to this? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is on your own free will and because you are guilty.
Yes, sir.
Going to show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1 here. Did you sign that document? Understand it, discuss it with your attorney? Are the contents true and correct?
Yes, sir.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence.
No objection.
Without objection. Among other things, this states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with? The indictment's been read to you. You've read it. You were guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses. You were giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. Totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All true, so help you God. State's Exhibit 1 is made a part of the record for all purposes. I think we need a pre-sentence report. So everybody can then sound in, and because deferred, regular probation, one's got a conviction, one's not, and it depends on.
Here's the turning point. The judge orders a pre-sentence report. That's like homework for the probation office. They'll dig into the defendant's background, finances, and behavior, and the results could shape whether she gets leniency or something harsher. What do you think? Should prior restitution earn lighter treatment?
September the 26th, Judge.
September 26th?
Everything.
Missing your phone?
Yeah. All right, don't draw on
Maybe that chair will lift.
That's good.
I called China away a little bit.
Correct.
You said September 26th.
Another Friday.
Yeah, I get up. I was sure I gotta be in Tampa on this that case that week, but it's the weekend.
So that's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
All right, we will return, then you will get a copy here. And then all parties can add any additional information you want me to consider, and the court will be fair.
Yes, sir.
And this is all fixable. And look, I'll tell when it comes to restitution, you pay the restitution back, you're going to get rewarded.
Judge, out of what she's taken, she's already paid back over $25,000 of the restitution that she
You
owed.
pay it
So the remaining.
complete, and the quicker you do it, the more happy I am about taking care of this, because the people aren't getting interest on it. They've lost. They're not getting interest, which isn't. I think that's unfair, actually. But the quicker you get them paid back, the quicker they can use the money that was lost, and that you get rewarded for that. Okay, and just a little word to the wise, but restitution is a key part of this case. Okay, awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.